adjustable elastic. So this is the fake scalp construction. You can see it, the knots are already bleached. As you can see, it came with some combs here. At the back there is an adjustable strap. You can see the construction. This is to mimic your scalp. When you wear this wig, it will look like your real scalp. Okay, that's the purpose of this fake scalp. Let me turn it so that you see the front. You see, you can party this wig from any angle. You can use it for C-part also, because the lace is 13 by 4. In here there is a joining here. This is where they did the joining. You guys can see the joining from here. You can see the scalp. The knots came already bleached, so which you don't need to do that. If you find out that is a little bit different from your scalp, the color of your scalp, you can. But I'm going to try it on to see, and you can see the hairline. You see the hairline already pre-plucked. The hairlines looks natural. The extra delicate diamond nets protect the fake scalp cap and your natural hairlines harmless. I'm really satisfied with the construction of this unit because it saves you from a lot of work. And the most important thing I like in this wig, the most important thing is the scalp, which is the fake scalp. This fake scalp, this fake scalp, it mimics your skin. It's just like your skin and it looks natural on you when you wear this wig. I also like the texture of the hair. You can see there is no shedding. Normally coily hair, they do shed a lot, but see my hand, there's no shedding. And I'm going to wet it and add cream on it for you guys to see. So guys, the length of this wig is 18 inches and the density is 150 density. Importance of this fake scalp wig. With this fake scalp coily wig, you don't need to do curl before wearing your wig. You can even wear it without gluing your wig down. Or if you want to do the ball cap method or fake scalp method, you don't need to do extra. The diamond net protect the fake scalp and harmless to your natural hairline, which is also breathable and more comfortable.
Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up, Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions. Sharing stories that we never had, yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them.
One thing I like about this fake scalp wig is very natural. It looks very natural, very, very similar to your scalp. And the net is breathable, which is very, very important. And the other thing, you can wear this wig without gluing it down.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you. What they Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you?
So guys, that is it. That's the installation of this hair. I did not glue it down. I just decided to do it like this, very simple, in a simple way. Okay guys, so you can see the coils so popping. So I'm going to leave the link of this unit on the description box, so if you're interested, don't hesitate to check that out. All right guys, and please, if you like it here, subscribe if you haven't, and click on that bell icon. And if you like this hair review, why not support your girl by clicking on that like button. I will see you guys in my next one. Don't forget, the direct link to this unit will be on the description box, so if you're interested, check it out. The wig is so gorgeous, there's no shedding, and the coils is popping. You can see the texture of the hair, and the hair is so full. I did not twist it, just the way it came. You can see that was how I installed this wig. All right guys, I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye.
Tell me, do you want me? And